After battling through the rugged outback and leaving the bad luck behind, or so we thought, more on that in a minute, we took a few days to relax at the coastal town of Esperance. This was our second time here, and for us, this area has without doubt the best beaches of Australia. I mean, just look at that water. After that, fate took us to a town called Hopetoun. The name seemed itself fitting, promising a fresh start and new adventures. At the beginning, everything was going good. We booked a nice place to treat ourselves. We had a tennis court, swimming pool, and the beach just down the road. But just when we were about to hit the beach, we had another misfortune. Just another one to add to the list. Our left back piston snapped, leaving us with no brakes. Just what we needed 4 days before leaving Australia. You know what? The thing is, even with bad luck, we somehow always turn things around. We found Dave, the outback super mechanic. While he fixed our car, he even let us borrow his, as we had to wait for a park to arrive from Esperance. What a legend. There's really good people around this world. The next day, our Prado was back in action. With gratitude, we drove to Perth. And what better way to celebrate than to visit Caversham Wildlife Park? Kangaroos, koalas, you name it, mate. We even got the chance to feed them and see their curious little faces up close. This was one of our favourite days in Australia. Best day ever. I even made a friend that day. Meet Josh. Well, it's time to move on and shine the spotlight on the other extraordinary animals that make this incredible land their home. Can't believe that we do this. We are queuing up to take a photo with a snake.
Have a huge impact on the natural Australian ecosystems.
Look at that.
Making good choices about the products we use and consume can make a significant impact to the survival of some of these great Australian animals.
I believe just about 4 years old. She was actually born and raised in Caversham, whereas about 75 to 80% of our reptile collection here at the park are all rescues.
Okay.
So people have either been trying to smuggle them across borders illegally, they've been keeping them illegally under the wrong license, or it's a species that you cannot keep in the country, or they're an escaped pet or an unwanted pet.
Very brave, Christiana.
She's cute.
The one that you were meeting.
Hello.
This is Cadbury. She's a fresh person. Yeah. And how you're petting her is perfect.
Cadbury.
Yeah, she is.
She's
She is
not
pretty
bothered
old.
by that anymore.
She's used to it.
She just wants to sleep
Yeah.
and eat.
Australia has its fair share of dangerous animals, but on the other hand, it also has some of the cutest animals and some pretty weird ones too.
These here are our birds of prey. So this guy here is your barking owl. And they're called that because they do make a barking sound.
Really?
Like a dog, yeah. The one in the middle is your sooty owl. And the one on the end is your blue-winged kookaburra.
Is that the one that we've been hearing or the one we've been
No, so they're actually different.
The kookaburra looks just like a kingfisher, doesn't it? A large kingfisher.
special pass?
Meet the koalas.
She's about just over 2 years old now.
Oh, only, I thought.
They can breathe at the same time. So even though she looks small, she's a breathing age. Just lift that over. Perfect.
Hello, Tracy.
Oh, it's so cute. She's okay. She's fine. Well, they could, but that's what I'm doing. But they actually greet each other using their nose. But we just don't allow it because some people freak out. Obviously, we want you to keep holding.
Yeah, and it's
So you
probably...
freak out, let it go.
Oh, she's so cute.
I'm happy.
We then oddly enough entered a sheep shearing show. Now this isn't just a simple task, this is an art form, intertwined with tradition, innovation and a deep connection to the land. It's about the deep bond between the shearer and the sheep. Each sheep is carefully positioned and then the shearer navigates through the dense fleece. She does seem pretty relaxed.
Now the reason that we do this is to increase the value of the fleece, because these pieces we've removed are much less valuable than the main fleece wool.
In a surprising twist, I found myself center stage, challenging my inner Indiana Jones.
Okay, so 1, 2. Right, you guys there. That's good. Excellent. All right, guys. Going again. That's it. You stop there. Really close. This part. Perfect. Okay, so when you're going back and do it, you're going over like that. So not that way, you have to go this way. Not that way. Okay, try again, sir. He's almost got it. Okay, start again, sir. You want to go over? Yeah, right. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming down. That's okay. Well, let's give it a go. Here you go. Let's go.
I think I did alright. It was cool though. Then Christiana got the chance to learn how to milk a cow.
Very good. There's a little bit tighter at the top. Doesn't hurt if it's okay. You need to block your into the teeth. Yes. And squeeze upon it. That's it. Very good. Tight. Don't squeeze yet. That's it. Now squeeze. Big squeeze. Big squeeze. There we go. Very good.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's so cool. It looks very easy, but it's not that easy.
As our journey through the land down under comes to an end, it's hard to believe that we've covered over 10,000 kilometers. We started in Perth, visited the Wave Rock, the stunning beaches of Esperance, drove the Nullarbor Plain, explored the vibrant cities of Adelaide, Melbourne, Sydney, drove into the heart of the outback, Coober Pedy, Uluru, did the Great Central Road back to Perth. Our time in Australia has been filled with adventure, challenges and great moments. As we bid farewell to this remarkable place, we take with us memories, new friends and experiences that will stay with us forever. Thank you Australia, till next time, safe travel peeps, and we shall see you in the next one. Peace.